Holy fucking Christ. Come here, come here, come here. The fuck is that? A big bug. It hit me in the head.
Well, it was big enough to. No, you don't. You're not getting up in there. No. No. God damn it. Get the hell out of my car. Sorry, I wouldn't let you take a picture of it, but it wouldn't move. Get it out of my car.
I don't want to touch it.
You get it.
It's your car. That was very M. Night Shyamalan.
What?
That was very M. Night Shyamalan's Lady in the Water.
Yeah.
He's like, oh God, they're back. That thing hit me in the head.
I'm sorry.
That damn bug. I was
Why
like,
when I roll my window down for it?
oh,